good morning, and he is going to explain about this machine. Um, Thanks for your time. Good
Absolutely.
morning.
Yes, this machine is called a tiny robot. We have a nickname for it, Wally, but it's basically called a tiny robot. And it operates through a tablet. And basically, what it is that it will paint any soccer fields for you, like 11v11 and the 7v4s, which is what I'm painting out here, as you can see. And what it does, for the most part, like those big fields over there, people will take about maybe 3 to 4 hours, but this machine here will take maybe 20 minutes.
Oh,
the
wow.
most. And the smaller fields for kids, it'll take us maybe an hour.
Uh-huh.
It'll take this machine 5 minutes.
Oh,
So that's
okay.
what it does. So I mean, I would like to show you a couple of examples, but before we do that, here's the fields that we have laid out on this property right here. So basically what we're gonna do here is that this field that you see here is this field right here. So we're gonna click on it, but as you can see, it has white lines. It's not active. Once I click on that field, it's gonna turn yellow. And what that means is that it's sending the signal to the robot. And what we're gonna do here is press start. So it's gonna start painting in any minute. But let me stop you for a second because we have this gator here. So what we're gonna do is cancel marketing. Let's put it at a different spot. There we go. So now we're gonna click it again. We still have it at yellow. So
So this, how does it finds this place? With your drawing, it's
Yes.
able to figure it out?
yes.
Oh, okay.
What it does is that the tablet sends signal to the robot. We do have a tower on the other side, which is connected with the internet or Wi-Fi,
Okay.
depending what services you're using at the moment.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is screw it down and click. We're gonna have to click again to put them in yellow. So start. If you would like to come with me,
Yeah, sure.
follow. Stop it right now because it's gonna hit the gator. So I may have to move this gator. If
Okay.
you want to pause your video for a second.
Okay. We'll see this machine. It's a new machine.
So
So you put this paint here.
yes, we put this paint here and it
And-
absorbs through these lines here.
Oh,
And you'll
okay.
see the paint coming out through the bottom right there through the nozzle. So in circumstances like this, since I had to stop it, we have to press the resume later and then resume again. And then we're gonna put it from stop position. So it's gonna reactivate again. And basically, I just follow it so it won't lose any signal. And if you see that green light flashing, that means that it's good.
So the signal picks up to 5 feet, 10 feet.
Yes. It can pick up to 20 feet or
Oh.
more than that.
Oh,
Now, if you see a red light flashing, it means that it lost signal.
Oh,
So that's
okay.
why it's better to stay next to it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, spraying now.
And as you can tell here on the tablet, it'll indicate you what lines it already painted. I don't know why this one
So-
didn't turn on blue, but when it painted already a line, it turns blue. So
Okay.
I don't know why it didn't do it on this one here, but.
So is it does correctly, accurately?
Yes, it is.
Oh, wow.
It is. At times it will come off, but the reason being is because
Maybe
either
with the ups
one of
and downs?
One of the tires is loose from the bolt that's on the side.
Oh,
So that's why it's important to check the bolts every single time you use them.
oh, okay.
There.
Oh, exactly. It stops correctly.
Right there.
So, So you get trained for this, operating this robo?
Do I get one now?
Trained?
Yes. You have to get some training for it.
Mhm.
There's not a whole lot of training, but the more you work with it, the more acquainted you get with it.
So you go to the different field and works.
You just go to the field that you want to paint, and then you click on the field that's on here, and then it starts painting it.
This is the first time I'm seeing it. So
Yeah. Okay.
I used to see they have drawn all those lines in the evening,
Yeah.
and today when I saw this machine, so thought I'll let's do a video. So how long will it take it to dry, this paint?
I'm sorry. What was that again?
How long will it take to dry?
To dry?
10 minutes, 5 minutes, or immediately?
Maybe 5 minutes the most.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the one thing that's very interesting about this machine, that it will work quicker and it will save a lot of money to a lot of companies. So that's why.
So you can do only this painting, or you can do also in the wall of a house. We can't use it for the house.
I don't think for the house. I don't think it was structured for that.
Uh-huh.
All I know is this one was structured just for fields. To my understanding, it can also paint baseball fields
Uh-huh.
and softball fields, but I've never painted any of those, so I've just painted soccer.
So the baseball or the other field means you have to have it in the
Yes, you have to have it in here. But the only thing we have on this tablet is just soccer.
soccer field. So you go and do it for soccer field.
Yes.
Wow.
For the most part, you would see up to 4 or 5 guys out here painting fields and without this. But now that we have this robot here, it only takes one person to paint the whole entire field, while everyone else is doing some other stuff.
So how long you have been painting this?
I want to
Started
say
immediately, or
when today.
no?
or,
How long you have been?
I want to say about 2 years already.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
but-
already there for.
Yeah, but I'm still learning. Every day something new pops up. So
Uh-huh.
I mean, like they say, knowledge gives you more experience. Let's put it that way. So
Thank you so much for
Absolutely.
your time.
So-
Thanks.